In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer goods from one location to another. So go to the menu, click on Stock Transfers. On the left hand side in this menu you can see draft transfers, pending transfers and historic transfers. When you create draft transfers it doesn't alter your stock at all. Only when you commit the draft transfer, when it becomes pending, that's when it will actually change the stock levels in the system. So I go to create a new transfer, pick the system that I'm doing the transfer for. I want to go from branch 1 to branch 4, put in a reference. That creates an empty transfer for me, and now I need to add some products to this transfer. So I've now added 2 types of footwear to my transfer. So we have the Superstar and the LA trainer shoes. So I now type in the quantities that I want to transfer. Okay, that will do. So I can either save a draft, which means I can come back and edit this later, or I can actually commit the transfer. That will take it out of draft and put it into pending. So I've done that now. The document will no longer be in draft, it will be in pending. It'll be this one here. If I click on it, loads up that transfer. It will show me the original transfer. It's going from branch 1 to branch 4. The outstanding amounts, obviously it's the whole transfer. What's been received in is nothing. If I look up this product in Explorer, you'll see that my original stock level on LA trainer shoe was 5s all across. If I now refresh that, that's now dropped because they're no longer in branch 1. They're also not yet in branch 4 where I'm transferring it to. They're actually in the in-transit situation. If I click on this view here, and if I go to standard stock in transit, I'll see that I've got those quantities waiting to be received into branch 4. If I go back to the stock transfer and I want to receive these in, click on the receive tab. Now a little tip here, if I know that the items have been received in the same way as they were transferred out, I can just edit and click on this little icon here which copies across the values from outstanding. I then receive those in. Items received meet or exceed the expected number of items. Would you like to finalize the document? Yes. And that transfer is now complete. If I go back to Explorer, if I refresh this window, they have now left the in-transit stock type. If I put this back to standard view, you'll now see that the branch 4 has those items in it and they're no longer in branch 1. And that's the process of a transfer. The way transfers work is that you transfer your goods out to another location. They don't go directly there, they wait in an in-transit situation until they're received in the other end.